I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over.
Hello guys, welcome back to Get It All Done with Abra. If you're new here, my name is Abra and I am so glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to undecorate Christmas, declutter, and organize all our Christmas decor for an easy access next Christmas.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
We had 2 Christmas trees this Christmas season, so we're going to be taking them down and all the other Christmas decor we have in the house. I'm starting up with the staircase. I'm gonna go ahead and take down all the lights, followed by the garlands.
Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind.
I typically keep my Christmas decor longer, between mid-January toward end of January. I know not many people do that, but since Christmas is my favorite season of the year, I just like to keep my Christmas decor longer. It makes me happy. But this year I'm trying something different and I'm taking Christmas down early. Yeah, the reason why I'm taking Christmas down early this year is because we have a family vacation coming up and I don't want to have to come back home and have to worry about taking Christmas tree down and Christmas decor down. So that's the reason I'm doing it early this year. So how about you guys? Let me know in the comment down below. Do you still have your Christmas tree up? Do you take Christmas down early? Let me know. So I'm going to be using these totes we got from Lowe's and Target for all our decor. That's what we normally use for them. We have at least 10, if not more. It's just so much easier to just store everything in. Moving on to the foyer, I'm just gonna clear this table, wipe it down, and replace the Christmas decor with our everyday decor. How do you guys decorate your house after Christmas? I just like to keep it simple and clean. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna replace everything by our everyday decor.
You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could.
This is one of the totes we got from Target. This one is perfect to keep your ornaments separate. Usually I like to keep the baby's ornaments and our ornaments that are important to us. We just like to keep them separate from the ones we can easily replace, and this tote is perfect for that.
Let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate, oh babe. No, it's never too late. I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again, oh yeah. 'Cause I wanna work things out, yeah. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. You say my name, name. You say, let me hear you say my name, You say even though it's dark some days, I know blue skies are coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay. 'Cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah, I'm completely satisfied, right? As long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down.
Since this tree is a big one, I needed help with it. So I asked my husband, and that's what we're doing here. It took us forever to take this ornament down, but I'm glad it went faster in this video. I wish it was that fast for us. And if you're here from our Instagram account, please don't be shy. Say hi in the comment below. Comment IG, and don't forget to subscribe because we would love to have you here.
The morning light is wandering on my face. I can't believe I don't know the day, the time, the place. I drive around in a city full of shame. Everything feels hollow when you are away. When it all comes down, when our life is too big to confound. You said I can't
this is my second tree. It's a smaller one, so I have a different tote for all the ornaments on this one, and I'm gonna place it right next to the box, so next year I know all the ornaments that were on this tree.
You said I can't go, I can't love anyone but you. I'm totally yours if you want to. You're just another night and I've been longing for you. Now they turn on the lights and I will never be the same. You said I can't go, I can't love anyone but you, and I know exactly what to do. You said I can't go, I can't love anyone but you. I'm totally yours if you want to. You said I can't love anyone but you, and I know exactly what to do. You said I can't go, I can't love anyone but you. I'm totally yours if you want to.
Moving on to the kitchen, here I have my cookie jars that I got from the dollar store. I normally use them to send out cookies to my neighbors, but this year, I keep saying this year, but it's actually last year, I didn't get a chance to make them any cookies, so I am keeping them, and hopefully this year I will send them some Christmas cookies. And any other decoration that I used in the kitchen are all going in one tote, so it's easier for me to find them. Here I'm putting away all my Christmas napkins, and I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them with my everyday napkins. Now that we have everything in the totes, we are ready to take this big tree down. I am going to miss it, that for sure. Like I said, Christmas is my favorite season of the year, and it's always make me sad seeing the Christmas tree go away. So here, after putting the tree away, taping the box down and everything, we realized that we forgot the tree stand. So we're just gonna put it with the garlands, and hopefully we won't look for it too long next year. Because we don't have a basement in the state where we live, so we're gonna keep all these totes in the garage. Okay guys, this takes us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and come back for more videos.